Hi, sis Sheila. Dahil birthday mo today, gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Andito lang ang The Real Warriors family para sa'yo. More birthdays to come.
Hello Ate Sheila, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. More life. God bless you more. We love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sheila Villanueva. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, sister! Wish ko sa birthday mo, sana lagi kang good health, more followers to come, at laging be humble. Ayan, dyan kita nakilala kasi ang bait-bait mo. Kahit na bira lang tayo magkakumustahan, pero talagang ramdam ko na talagang napakabait mo. Ang kulit ng filter na to. Sana masaya ka sa araw na to, mag-i-enjoy ka. Kasama kami, The Real Warriors family! Ayan! Tapos, yung family mo, ayan, more spend time with them. Ang kulit talaga ng filter na to!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Ate Sheila Villanueva. Enjoy your day. Dito na kaming The Real family nakasupport sa iyo lagi. Ingat ka lagi. Love you.
Para sa nagdiriwang ng kanilang kaarawan. Happy birthday, ang bati ko, ang bati namin sa iyo.
Hoy Sheila, happy birthday sa'yo. And more years to celebrate. We're the Real Warriors family. Wala akong pake kung hindi mo ako makilala. Mahalaga, bumati ako sa'yo ng happy birthday!